Melissa, and I'm finally doing an update video. Yay! So, it's been a while since I've done a video, and I got my braces off in December. So, yeah, I've been wearing retainers, and yeah. So, this is how my teeth has been looking lately. I'll do like a close-up, but yeah. So because my overbite, because my teeth were sticking out in my overbite, and I have pictures here from my original consultation, so hopefully this will help you guys. Someone asked me a question about how many millimeters my overbite was. I don't know how much it was, but I do know my teeth were literally sticking out like that. Like, that's like my lower teeth set, and then literally my teeth were sticking out like that, my top teeth. So it was a huge gap. Yeah. So here is from my first day when they took pictures of me. So that will let you know that my teeth were like sticking out really bad, and can't really see if the video is getting it, but yeah, that was for my first day. So since my overbite was since my teeth were sticking out like that, I got permanent retainers. And permanent retainers is like a little wire that's glued to the back of your teeth. So I have permanent bottom retainers, and my orthodontist, she recommended that I get permanent top retainers. So she's like, so your teeth won't go back to sticking out. She really recommended that. So I had to pay $250 for the top permanent retainers. So I will try to show you that right now. Yeah, you guys are gonna get up and personal. I'm just kidding. Okay, but yeah. So that's the bottom, and I had my appointment yesterday and to check up on how my retainers are doing. Yeah, so like literally my bottom retainers, they weren't glued right, so they had to re-glue it. So now it's permanently glued. And this is my top. I have like little hairs like that. Okay. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, it's like really glued on literally the top of behind my teeth. So to take care of them, they said that I have to floss, and with these, it's really hard to floss with these permanent retainers. So I've been breaking the rules and not really flossing as much as I should be. But and when I did try to floss, or like when I did actually floss, it like hurted me. Like it literally, like I was in pain, because you have to like stick the floss through there underneath the wire. It's a whole nother deal. It's like not like braces. With braces I was okay with flossing, but with these it's hard. But I'm gonna work on it and do my best. Okay, so what I also paid was for my permanent, I paid for retainers, and these are the plastic retainers. I'm supposed to wear them 24/7, so yeah, these are my new pair. I just got these a month ago, but the reason I got these a month ago is because I literally made a hole in my first set of retainers. So my first set of retainers, I made a hole in it, and the reason is I have Bruxism. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'm really grinding my teeth at night, and yeah, so I made this big hole. I don't know if you see that, but that hole. So so yesterday in my appointment, my orthodontist, he told me like, whoa, like you need to get I don't know what, but like a mouth guard. It's like a custom mouth guard, I think, for like my teeth to sleep at night, so I could do all the damage I want, but it's not gonna mess up my teeth. So I have my appointment for that in the next 4 weeks. So they're gonna do custom a mouth guard for me. Like, I think it's steel. I don't even know. I'm just confused, but I'll do an update video on that if for those who has bruxism or teeth grinding issues. But yeah, so this is just an update for you guys to see like my journey of my 3-year journeys of the TADs, like I said, the TADs that were on my gums, and my Damon braces without getting extractions or what is that? Or jaw surgery, because those were the options for me, but this is an alternative for you guys. And yeah, so if you tell your orthodontist, kind of do Damon braces and TADs, or just TADs, because I think TADs is the significant one that really helped my overbite out. But again, here's that, my teeth. Yeah, so definitely straight, and my space, my overbite is definitely gone. So yeah, I'm definitely pleased with the results compared to before. I feel more confident smiling now. Yeah, I'm just really happy. Hopefully my update video helped you guys, and sorry for not posting. I've been busy with school, so yeah, bye guys.